What's the matter? Hey, don't you like your new shoes? Come on. Come on. Show us how much you like your new shoes. They're better. They'll keep your feet warm, right? Hey. Come on now. Emmett. Emmett. Hey. Emmett. Hey, quit. Quit. Leave them on. You'll get used to them. Hey, Emmett. Emmett. You gotta get used to your shoes. Quit. You have to get used to your new shoes. You good boy?